In Havana, however, there was a group of young people, and when I first got there, there was no distinction, but one of the groups, two groups of people, the older and the younger, decided to create like clubs. And my choice was to join a group that decided to be a Zionist group. And it was a religious, it was called Shomer Hadati. So I want to join this Shomer Hadati because all my friends are there. And they said, well, you got to practice. You can't go to the movies on Friday night anymore, and you got to blah, blah, blah. I said, sure, no problem. You know, when I could cheat at home, like listen to the music on Saturday, I still did. But there was some wonderful parts to being part of a group. We were going to go to Palestine and go to a kibbutz, and there was these young people and their parents, I guess, had rented the downstairs of a little house, which became the shul. And on Friday night, there would be Onegim Shabbat, which where the young boys, who were probably somewhat older than I, and who could read Yiddish, would read stories of Peretz and Sholem Aleichem and whatever. And because I understood, I mean, they were wonderful. I loved that part. I didn't know the depths of the religion. I didn't understand it. My parents never told me anything about why are we celebrating this. Did I know? I didn't know. So there was this disconnect. And in fact, Dad could read the procedures. It was all in Hebrew or whatever it was. So there was no love for the religion in my bones. And also in Cuba, we were sort of ascetic in the sense that no makeup for the girls and no social dancing. Cuba's big on social dancing, but no social dancing. And we did horrors, of course, you know, when we got together. I even had a uniform. So what happened was that there came a time where I think it was one of the European victories. Maybe it was VE Day. We all went dancing. And, you know, because I wasn't so committed, I had a problem with it. By then I was thoughtful. I was 18 or 17, and I quit the group. I did not feel that there was honesty there.